Nice and lovely. So looking lovely so far. Next thing, pop that lovely tomato sauce. Chop. That's it right here, guys. So now this is just finished, done and dusted. Now we're gonna share it out. Looking lovely and nice. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. We're gonna give you some Jamaican tin mackerel fried up, served with some plain rice. So basically, guys, I'm gonna explain one of the ingredients I have right here. Right here I have a Jamaican scotch bonnet pepper, pinch of a thyme, and also a piece of a garlic, some spring onion or some white onion, chopped tomato, and a tin of Jamaican tin mackerel. Go with some rice. Beautiful. So we're gonna fry this up for about 5 to 6 minutes. Get it ready, done and dusted. You can have this for lunch or for dinner, whatever you like. Enjoy the recipe. Leave your comments if you like the Jamaican tin mackerel. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. First of all, medium sized frying pan on the stove, and then simple pop roughly 2 teaspoons or a tablespoon of vegetable oil or olive oil, whatever oil you like to use. Then second thing, get all of those lovely seasonings we should just prepped up and simple, prop it in straight just like this. And then next thing what you're gonna do, basically fry this off the water for 3 to 4 minutes and a medium size. Nice and lovely. So looking lovely so far. Next thing, pop that lovely tomato sauce, chop this lovely tin tomato, tin mackerel straight inside of in that lovely tomato sauce. Pinch of pepper. Get that lovely pepper sauce, hot scotch bonnet pepper, that's from Jamaica. That's simple. Wrap the sauce around it. Leave that for another 3 to 4 minutes. So that's it right here, guys. So now this is just finished, done and dusted. Now we're gonna share it out. Looking lovely and nice. But basically I like to put a little bit of the pepper sauce. This one hot pepper sauce. Just a little bit. Pinch of it. In the meantime, if you want to simmer. Lovely. So we're gonna share it out now, guys. Enjoy the recipe. Nice. So I got some rice right here, some plain rice. And basically what we're gonna do now is simple. Get that lovely mackerel which we just fried up. Just like this. Hopefully you guys will love it and just enjoy it. Very easy and simple to prepare. Really, really nice. And I remember those days back in Jamaica. So this is it right here, guys. Everything, even the garlic. So guys, if you never have something like this before and it's the first time, please enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and you can get tin mackerel at any local shop, supermarket to buy, or you can get it online. So enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.